Hello, my name's Ella English, and this summer I interned for Stanley Korshak in Dallas, Texas as an e-commerce intern. And my tasks daily include pulling online orders from our departments and getting them ready for shipping, or I also upload a lot of the women's inventory onto the website. I've really enjoyed working for this company, but my favorite thing has been the people. Everyone is so kind and willing to help me in my career. And the three most important things I've learned are that you need to be creative, adaptable, and organized in this industry. It's constantly evolving, so you have to be willing to face change. I secured this internship through emailing the HR manager, and we did a Zoom interview. And she gave me the internship that day, and I accepted, and I was super excited. And some advice I have for future interns is just to work hard and have a positive attitude, and you'll succeed.